Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and I need to say a big thanks to Rob for providing the footage for this one. Our coverage starts on the A513 heading west from Kings Bromley. You can join this road from the A515 there. Our first turning is coming up at the T-junction here. It's right onto the B5014 signposted Abbots Bromley. Make the turn, then follow this road for around a quarter of a mile. After a quarter of a mile or so, turn right. There's not much in the way of signage, but it's towards Pipe Ridgeware. You're about 1 3/4 miles from the site now. And as you will see, it gets pretty narrow, so care is required. There's a farmhouse there on the right hand side with the entrance immediately after. And the entrance to the camping field is there on the left. And here we are. Site is normally open all year round. Grass and hard standing are available, as is electric hookup. Thanks once again to Rob for providing the footage, and to you two for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.